welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm showing you guys a purchase that I made for myself today, and I'm really excited about them, so I'm just going to show it to you now. Okay, this was the purchase that I made today at Walmart. I got a 22-inch all-in-one PC for my working, and when you open the box, this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to unbox it and show you guys what it looks like all set up. Okay, in the second box that's inside of the side of the box with the computer, it comes with this keyboard. And the keyboard just looks like this. In the next box, this is what it looks like. And inside of it, you just get thank you paper from Walmart to leave a review, warranty and technical support, and then you get this, which is telling you how to set it up. It's also telling you that you can use Bluetooth devices with this computer. There's also a mouse. And then the last thing that's with this is just the charger cable. Well, not really a charger cable, but you know what I mean. The plug for the computer. And I'm gonna plug all this in and then show you what it looks like turned on. Okay, you guys, this is what the computer looks like all set up, and this is everything. Excuse the mess of my desk. It's new and I'm still organizing it. But this is my new computer that I'm going to be doing all my work from. If you guys want to check it out, I'll make sure to have it linked down below from where I got it from. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.